Item history provides a listing of every transactional document that has affected an item and a running tally of changes in the on-hand quantity. You can click any listed document to view it. Item statistics include an item summary, including cost and profit information and total quantities in and out. The item's history is shown when you edit the inventory item information. If you have multi-stores, you'll be able to choose which store you want to take a look at. To view a listed document, you can double-click it. You're taken to the appropriate history list with the document pre-selected. This is a normal copy. Click back at the bottom of the document to return to inventory. The change column lists the document's effect on on-hand quantities. For example, if sale results in the on-hand quantity being reduced, therefore the quantity change is a negative number. Likewise, receiving a quantity into inventory is shown as a positive number. The on-hand column displays a running total of the on-hand quantity after being adjusted by the document. If the item is listed multiple times on the document, example, a customer exchanged for the same item, the document is listed twice. Once for the return, a positive quantity, and once for the new sale, which is a negative quantity. And then the details will show who it's sold to or how the inventory was entered into the item list. The next video will help you understand the item, ratings, and trend over a specific period of time.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.